Mercy Alfred. Patsy Glad. Leah Jelke. Jamore Momo Nelson. Namiko Obeketong. Marbella Kithian. Ladre Kiko Henos. Claret Tonam Changam. Chloe Rosemarie Abraham. Kyle Grant Marlin, now like an opportunity to address this year's senior class.
If I do this well, I'll be able to connect to the two student speeches, as well as our keynote speaker and our board president, and also talk a little bit about inspiration. This is my observation of this particular graduating class of 2015, and as they represent their generation. This is what I see. I have heard it said, maybe you've heard it as well, that it is our youth that will fix the planet. If you believe that this is true, how are they capable of doing this? What do they know that we, the adults, do not know? Who are they? What do they bring to the table, and how are they qualified to address this daunting challenge? Wait, there's more. As this happens to be our challenge to the adults as well. This is a direct challenge to the adults in the room. Are we truly listening to what they have to say, our youth? And if not, why aren't we? What are we afraid of? As adults, are we afraid of their truth? Are we afraid of our truth? Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to please introduce to you the Majerot Cooperative School graduating class of 2015 and their collective voice, and not in the way that they were introduced to you a few minutes ago. Let's listen to them through their actions. This is the class, the generation, and the voice of the UN Model Cartagena Dialogue. This is the voice of the Majerot Community Meeting on Climate Change. They are the voice of FU7 and 1 Billion Rising. They are peer-to-peer educators in health. You can find them during the week, learning and contributing at Meow, the hospital, WAM, PII, the Co-op Accounting Office, and many other locations in Majerot in fulfillment of their passions and their senior capstone projects. Have you heard them speak through these channels? Are we listening yet? If not, then maybe we need to consider as adults that we are the obstacle. Maintaining an old world using old tools to address new problems of a quickly evolving new world. This is now their world and not necessarily ours. But it still remains a world, certainly, by which we can share our truths, which in the end may not be so different. As adults, we may have simply forgotten our truths, our paths, and the means to achieve them. This youth, this graduating class in particular, may not have the map to show us yet, but it clearly has the vision and the drive to get us there. After all, isn't this how most anything worthwhile gets accomplished? How do we know that they are the ones to provide the RMI and the world with solutions? How do we know this to be true? And what evidence can be provided to you, their community? Well, they're not waiting on us and have already embarked on addressing our problems, challenges, and solutions. You just may not know it yet. As evidence, did you know that several of them enrolled and completed classes at the College of the Marshall Islands last semester? Yes, full-time students of Co-op attending classes at the College of the Marshall Islands simultaneously. This is the graduating class that calls a recipient of a Bill Gates scholarship one of their own. Did you know that this group of graduating seniors has already met with the President of the Republic of the Marshall Islands to share both their concerns and their dreams for this country? Ladies and gentlemen, these are the people whom we are looking for. Our map, our voice, the planet's salvation. We need not look any further. They have heard the social messages found in the poetry of Kathy Kitchener and have been clearly moved. The solution sits with us